How to edit your WhatsApp username. So first of all, open WhatsApp application. From here, tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Now go to Settings. From here, go to Account. Now under your account, tap on Username option. Now at the top right, you can see Edit option. Tap on it. Now over here, you can see two options. For now, let's tap on Change Username. Now over here, edit your username accordingly. Once you enter in your edited username, make sure that your username is unique and is not taken. After that, go ahead and tap on the option of Save. Now you can see that you will successfully be able to change your username. Then just tap on Continue. So that's how simply you will be able to edit your WhatsApp username. And that's it for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.